Hi students, I am Vivekanandan. In this video, we are going to learn 6th Biology, Chapter 6, Circulatory System. In this chapter, we are going to learn blood vessels, arteries, veins, capillaries. Blood vessel. Blood vessel is a kind of tube or pipe which present in our body. That carry blood throughout our body. Blood vessel is a tube or pipe like structure that carry the blood throughout our body. The blood vessels run between the heart and rest of the body. The blood vessels run between the heart and rest of the body. There are three types of blood vessels in the body, that is arteries, vein, capillaries. See the image. Next. There is a difference between artery, vein and capillary. Artery. Artery is a thick walled. It is made up of thick walled, that is hard. Hard means kadinamana, taditha. Next is a vein. Vein is made up of thin walled. Thin means melliya. Soft. Next is a capillary is thin walled. Soft. Artery carries blood from the heart to other part of the body. The artery main function is carries the blood from the heart to other part of the body. Veins carries blood from different organs to the heart. Veins carry the blood from different organs to the heart. And then capillaries. Capillaries are involved in the exchange of food material. Exchange of food material, respiratory gases and body wastes. The capillaries main function is exchange of the food material, respiratory gases and body wastes. Artery situated deep under the skin. Artery situated deep under the skin. Veins situated just under the skin. You easily seen that veins. Capillaries. Capillaries occur at the terminals of artery and vein. That is ending. Capillaries occur at the terminals of the artery and veins. Terminal means ending, the ending of the arteries and vein. Next. Arteries. Arteries are the blood vessels which carry blood from the heart to all the parts of the body. Arteries are found in the whole of our body. The arteries lie quite deep under our skin. That is we are unable to see. Not seen easily. Because it's situated deep under our skin. The arteries have thick and elastic wall. Thick, hard, that is tadinamana, in Tamil tadinamana. This is because blood flow through them at high pressure. ஹார்ட்லேருந்து நம்ம எல்லா இடத்துக்கும் பிளட்டு சப்ளை ஆகும். என்ன ஆகும், அந்த பிளட் வந்து ஹை ப்ரெஷராக இருக்கும். சரி, அதனால தான் அந்த டியூப், அதாவது இந்த வெசல்ஸ், ஆர்டரி வெசல்ஸ் வந்து எப்படி இருக்குது, ரொம்ப திக்காக இருக்குது. The thick and elastic walls of arteries can withstand the high pressure of blood flowing through them. You see the image. The thick and elastic wall of the arteries can withstand the high pressure of the blood flowing through them. சரியா? அந்த வெசல்ஸ் வந்து திக்காக நல்லா எலாஸ்டிக் வாலாக இருக்கனால தான் என்ன பண்ணுது, அந்த ஹை ப்ரெஷர் வந்து தாங்கிக்குது. நெக்ஸ்ட், arteries are normally carry oxygenated blood. Okay, oxygenated blood means the blood rich in oxygen. Okay, oxygenated blood means the blood rich in oxygen. Arteries normally carry oxygenated blood from the heart, but there is one exception to this rule. Okay, arteries ஓட main function என்ன, carry the oxygenated blood, but one exception to this rule. One artery called pulmonary artery. Okay, one artery called the pulmonary artery that carries the deoxygenated blood. Okay, deoxygenated blood means the blood rich in carbon dioxide. Deoxygenated blood means the blood rich in carbon dioxide. The pulmonary arteries carries deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs. The pulmonary artery carrying deoxygenated blood from the heart, okay, from the heart to the lungs is called an artery and not a vein. Okay, the pulmonary artery carrying the deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs is called an artery because it carries blood away from the heart. Okay, because it carries the blood away from the heart. Aorta is the largest artery. Okay, aorta is the largest artery, while arterioles are the smallest arteries present in our body. Next, veins. Okay, see the image. So veins. Okay, easily we seen that veins. Veins are the blood vessels which carry blood from all the parts of the body back to the heart. Okay, veins are the blood vessels which carry blood from all the parts of the body back to the heart. Veins are found inside our whole body. The veins are less deep than arteries. The veins are less deep than arteries and hence can easily seen. ஓகே, நம்ம உடம்புல நம்ம வந்து நரம்பு வந்து ஈஸியாக எந்தெந்த நம்பலாம் பார்க்குறோமோ அதான் வந்து வெயின்ஸ். The greenish blue lines which we see just below the skin on our hand or legs are the veins. Next, the deoxygenated blood return to the heart at low pressure through the veins. Okay, the deoxygenated blood return to the heart at low pressure through the veins. Since the blood flow at low pressure through the veins, so the veins have thin wall. Veins ஓட main function the transfer the deoxygenated blood return to the heart. ஓகே, அங்கே அந்த blood pressure எப்போ இருக்குது, low pressure. சரி, அதனால தான் அந்த veins is made up of thin wall. ஓகே, thin wall மெல்லிய. Veins have valves in them. ஓகே, valves அப்படின்னா என்ன, that is used to block, தமிழில் வந்து அடைப்பான்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஓகே, veins have valves in them which allow the blood in them to flow in one direction only. Okay, flow in one direction only towards the heart. Valves prevent the backflow of blood in veins. Okay, valves என்ன பண்ணுது, அதை ப்ரிவெண்ட் பண்ணுது, திரும்பி பேக் ஃப்ளோ ஆயிராமல் அந்த பிளட்டை வந்து என்ன ப்ரிவெண்ட் பண்ணிடுது. Veins generally carry deoxygenated blood towards the heart, but there is one exception to this rule. Veins ஓட main function என்ன, to transfer the deoxygenated blood towards the heart, but there is one exception to this rule. The pulmonary veins carries oxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood means the rich in oxygen. The pulmonary veins carries oxygenated blood from lungs back to the heart. Next, capillaries. Capillaries are extremely thin blood vessels. Okay, compared to the veins, that capillaries are extremely thin blood vessels which allow substance to pass from blood into the body cells and also from body cells into the blood. Capillaries are also called blood capillaries, are present throughout our body. Every cells of the body is near a capillaries. Okay, every cells of the body is near a capillaries. You see the image, how the capillaries exchange the substance. The exchange of substance like food, oxygen, carbon dioxide between the blood and the body cells take place through capillaries. So capillaries main function is exchange, okay, exchange of substance like food, oxygen, carbon dioxide between the blood and blood cells take place through capillaries. I hope you understand my video. Thank you.